$413,000 on Stan, $4,000 in my info business and consulting business per day. And I'm telling you how to make $4,000 per month. If you could replace your current salary, your current hourly wage, working from home or anywhere you want in the world, doing what you enjoy doing and not even working that many hours, wouldn't you want to do that? So you're watching this on YouTube, most likely. You may be watching it on my membership as well. But you're watching this on YouTube. And as of right now, March 2026, I have 824 videos. Most of those are long form. But you notice something. So I have more than 200,000 subscribers, which I recently reached that, which is awesome. But you'll notice like this video from 2 days ago has 1.4 thousand views, which is a lot of views for most people. But for somebody with 200,000 subscribers, it's not a lot of views. This one right before it, the day before, has 14,000 views, these both. But let me tell you something about these two videos. They both make me money, and they make me money in more than one way. Now, if YouTube itself ever exploded or something happened there, I'd be okay because I would just learn something new. And we have to be flexible because we just don't control these things, right? But I have to tell you what I mean by this is that YouTube is so powerful. The past 18 months now, for 4.5 years on this channel, it was doing bupkis. It was not working. But the last 18 months, going into the 6th year, it has gone crazy. And it's not really about how many views I get, because I can get 1.4 thousand views or 14,000 views, and they both make me money. Like, I'm never going to be disappointed with the view count. Most people think about, oh, how many views did it get? How many subscribers do I have? That doesn't matter. I'm telling you, as someone who makes money from this every day, I study it all day long. I have multiple dozens of clients that I work with and consult about YouTube, including millionaires, including people who have just started yesterday. It is about how the YouTube algorithm works and how precise it is finding your right audience. If you give it the right content and you package it well with your titles and your thumbnails, notice my thumbnails are pretty simple. How to make money, picture of me, clear as it can be. How to make $500 by Friday, you have to see this. Very clear. This other one is a picture of a Stripe dashboard. Start with 0, real proof showing how my members actually make money. It's not rocket science. It's just you learn a couple of really important things about what works, how many characters, color schemes, how close things should be, if your face should be in it or not. And what happens is, because I take the time, now I do very long videos, as you can see right here in this video, but you don't have to do these long videos. You could do a 10-minute video, a 15-minute video, and you could put it up once per week. I do it all the time, but you could put up yours once per week if you give YouTube great content, great packaging. It will get your message in front of people who want to see it. They're either searching for it because YouTube is owned by Google, so it is like using that infrastructure, or they've watched something else that tells YouTube that they would want to watch yours too. So this is happening on like the second you upload, it is starting to happen. It's so cool. Every single day, thousands of people find my YouTube channel. Like, wait, let me say that again. Every day, thousands of people find my YouTube channel. So I make anywhere between $9,000 and $12,000 a month from AdSense, from one way to make money on YouTube. So we have our funnel. We have Stan, we have school, and we have YouTube, not in any kind of order. Because really what's going to happen is YouTube's going to sit up here at the top, and you're going to put content on YouTube, and you're going to learn the specificities of it. You're going to post something once or twice a week that's long form, that's 8 minutes or more, okay? Because that's where the trust is built. That's where the real conversion happens. You might want to do shorts. You can get your feet wet. You can practice and you get a lot of views, but is that translating to people going to your site and buying, going to your stand and buying something, going to your school and joining? If it's not, which mostly it doesn't, then you're going to want to focus on long form. Save yourself some time and just focus on long form out the gate. Okay. So let me know in the comments if this is helping you. Tell me in the comments, hey, this really helped me. I'm still here. I'm still learning. I'm still taking notes. So you're going to have up here YouTube. You're going to say in your YouTube videos, you're going to teach one thing per video. Just teach one thing. When you know what your offer is, and you can learn that from my YouTube channels, don't let that stop you. Like, I don't know what to sell. Don't let that stop you right now. You're going to figure out what to sell. And then you're going to talk about something when it comes to that topic that your target audience, your ideal audience is going to want to know about. And you're going to break that down. Now, I'll tell you a quick tip about how to figure out what videos to put up. There's a lot more to this, but this will help you if you're like, hey, I want to get started today. I just want to practice. Go to ChatGPT or Claude and type in a prompt and say, think about your topic, like your high level topic. Let's say your topic was hula hooping, because I have a hula hoop over here. You're going to say, tell me the 10 steps of learning how to hula hoop. It's going to give you 10 steps. So those 10 steps, each of those could be a video. So you already have 10 weeks of videos right there. But here's something even cooler. If you made it to this part of the video, you're going to get the real sauce. Take number 1 and copy it and say, what are the 10 steps of this? And you can do that for all 10, and then you'll have 110 videos. That's just a simple way to get started. Now, of course, you're not going to just do all those videos and that's what it is, but it gets you started. You just look through those 110 or these 30 or whatever you pull up and you say, which one do I want to do first? Boom, I'm going to do that one. And that's for any topic. How do I make milk? Anything you could do this for. How does someone make $10,000 a month? Boom. So then you take that, you make videos, you have a call to action inside of the video. So you say, I'm doing this, or I have calls, or I have a course, or I have a school or a membership, or I have a free guide for you. And then you put that free guide on Stand and or School. And you say, look in the description below, look in the pinned comment, one of the two or both. Go ahead, grab that. Now, here's a tip for you. You want to say this early in the video. So let's say your video is going to be like 10 minutes long and you've decided what the video will be. You have some outlines of what you're going to talk about. You're going to talk right to the camera. Just open up Zoom or take your phone. Don't have to be fancy when you get started. And I'm proof of that, right? Look at me. Like, this is just a Zoom. You're going to then, let's say it's a 10-minute video. You're going to say this call to action within the first 2 minutes, not the first sentence. Your first sentences need to be your hook. Your first sentences need to be, what is this video about? Like talking to the person about the video. But what most people do is they won't even talk about their call to action, their thing of what they're selling, or what they want you to sign up for free. Or if they do, they bury it at the very end.